Overwatch 2 down. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Overwatch right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with Overwatch. So I know that Overwatch had many issues in the past and it still has because it was released recently, so it has some maintenance downtime. So for this you don't have to worry about it. I already went to Twitter to their account, so as you can see 8 hours ago they said when Overwatch 2 launches pumping you may get up to players. So they already said that Overwatch 2 has a little bit of problems. Besides making progress on bug fixes and stabilization, we've got goodies to share with all players, so that is a good thing. On 11th October, they already said they will have an emergency maintenance, which was offline at 8 p.m. So in conclusion, guys, you are not the only one who has problems with Overwatch 2 right now. You don't have to worry about it because they will fix this as soon as possible. Unfortunately, there is nothing you can do to fix your problem because, as I said, these are some maintenance downtime they already scheduled. You don't worry. So if you do have issues with Overwatch, you can like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can comment in the comment section down below your thoughts, your questions about Overwatch 2, and we will discuss there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.